Welcome back to Karis Investment, guys. I have a unique opportunity. I'll try to do this video as fast as possible. Just dropped the kids off to school, and I decided, you know what, let me create a video very quickly. I haven't created a video this week because I haven't been buying and selling much, but I only bought up great opportunity. Now we're looking at Virgin Galactic. I'm hoping you guys get to see the news that the stock had fallen in the 20s early in the morning. It was in the 19s as well. It blew completely, like 21, 22% off the price of close. So take a look right now. We can see it closed off just around $24.06. But currently, we can see it's trading at $20.17. There's a small recovery from what it was earlier. But this is still an opportunity. Now, as usual, I tell you guys, if you're subscribed to this channel, our main goal is to make investment simple. I said it over and over again, and I hope you're getting the principle what I'm trying to teach here. Now, if you guys are experienced investor, then definitely this is not something new for you, but it could still make a huge difference because sometimes we go against our tendency of going against the grain, right? And I've done it on a few occasions, so I know if you're experienced, you still make that mistake once or twice in the game. Now, if you go in long term at Virgin Galactic, it is a great price. At $20.18, it is a perfect price. Now, personally, I got in just around $19.35. As I said, I was driving to school with my kids. I stopped briefly. I entered this trade, and then I just got home and I decided, you know what, let me create a quick video so I can upload you guys so you guys could know. No, I won't really do much editing because I want to post this video as fast as possible. So probably going to be just a 3 to 5 minute video. Guys, as we can see, the price starts to recover. So I'm going to try to make it very quickly to put my sense to it, to tell you what I think you should do. Now, what I think you should do is to go on and buy as many shares as you can and hold. Reason what I'm saying that, because the price right now, it's a huge discount. Basically, you're getting this on a perfect discount. We saw it close off at 24. We saw it goes down to 19.16. Now we saw it recovering to $20.28. You cannot lose with this investment if you're going long term. Now, if you're going short term, it may be a risky situation for you. However, in my mind, I have it set that I'm willing to lose between 20 to $17.50, meaning that if it drops in that range, I'm willing to buy more shares to break my average. But if you're not in the same kind of mindset, don't buy any shares. But keep in mind, space tourism travel in industry is going to be one of the things of the future. Right now, it may not make a difference, but in the future, definitely this is one of the hot tourism spot that people will be going after. So at this price right now, you cannot buy any other space exploration um, company with such a great discount. Reason being, the reason why it's dropping is because they announced that they're pausing all test commercial flight for the rest of 2021, and they will resume back in 2022. So this is a great opportunity to buy and hold. We have seen the stock trade very volatile. It has dropped in these levels and then it bounced back. Now take a look at the history chart right here. We can see in the last year, in November, we saw it was down in this exact same price, $18, $17 per share. And then we saw it crosses that $35 per share by December. We saw it drops again in January to the low 20s. And then we saw it shoots up, breaking $60 per share in February. And of course, we saw a few dip. We saw back in March again, the exact same stock in the 24, 25. And then we saw it shoots up briefly, breaks 35, came back in the same low 16s, and then ultimately breaking $50 per share. So in my 2 cents, I would urge you, do some research. If you can afford it, buy and hold some shares. But at the end of the day, guys, no one is telling you to invest because you could lose your money. And I have to stress that for you. Now, this is a risk that I would take. And this is a risk that I would tell my family to take. So I think it's safe to say that this is a risk that I think you could take. Now, as usual, guys, protect your capital, use a stop loss to make sure that you're protecting any kind of dips if you don't want to stay in it long term. But at the end of the day, guys, invest smart and make sure you're protecting your capital while making profit. Now, until next time, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you've gone in or if you're out. Peace.